In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for team collaboration. Work faster 2026. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. This is your starting point for everything we'll do today. Click the login option and choose the method you prefer. You can continue with email or sign in using a connected service. Pick the option that's already tied to your workspace so you land in the right place immediately. Once you're in, give ClickUp a moment to load your workspace. That way all your views and tasks populate correctly. You'll arrive on your ClickUp homepage. Think of this as your control center for recent work, assigned tasks, and quick access to what matters today. On the left side, look to the sidebar. Near the top left corner, you'll see spaces. Spaces are the highest level areas for your teams or functions like marketing, operations, or product. Each space holds folders, lists, and tasks, keeping work organized and permissions clear so collaboration stays focused. Next, click into a space and choose a list you want to work with. List group-related tasks, like a sprint, a campaign, or a client backlog. When you open a list, you'll see all tasks inside it. Depending on your chosen view, they may appear in a list view, a board view, or another layout your team prefers. You can scan task names, due dates, assignees, and statuses at a glance to understand what's moving and what's blocked. Open a task you want to use right now. This brings up the task pane where collaboration happens. Here you'll find the task description, comments, attachments, and any subtasks. To make this task more collaborative, start by structuring the basics clearly. Add context in the description so teammates understand the goal, and include any relevant files or links so no one has to hunt for information. Now modify the key categories. Assign the task to the right owner or owners, set a clear priority, and update the status to reflect where the work stands. From here, turn communication into action. Use add mentions to notify teammates directly in the comments, and assign comments so requests become trackable to-dos with a due date. If your team uses chat view, create or join a dedicated channel for the project to keep discussion in one place. The Catch Me Up feature helps you quickly review what you missed. For complex updates, use ClickUp clips to record a short screen and voice walkthrough right inside the task. It's faster than a meeting and clearer than a long message. That's it. By navigating to your space, opening the right list, and collaborating inside tasks with assignees, priority, status, comments, chat, and clips, your team can move faster together.